doing? Oh boy, he almost hit me.
Can I put it back in?
Is that what it tells you to do?
Yes.
Okay. What's up, y'all? We are putting together the 3D printer. We got a Bambu A1. This is what we got. We'll come back with more videos on our first 3D print and all that fun stuff.
No, it's difficult.
Alright guys, we got it all put together. And we started its, I guess like calibration and testing and stuff like that. And that's what it's doing. And then after that, we'll spool some stuff. And then we'll spool this monofilament. And then we'll print something. And Cheyenne wanted a wolf. So we're going to do a little wolf. It's going to be the first thing we do. Alright, put some filament in here. And then it shot up in here. Went right there. Then I did this thing. And I think it's gonna go through the cycles. This is making a little noise. My dog back here drinking a ton of water is making a little bit of noise. My old dog. This dog's not making a lot of noise. This is the laziest dog in the world, just so you know. Delilah. Delilah. What are you doing? Yeah, she ain't moving. She's just there. Oh, she moved. Yeah. Ghost. Hey. What? Yeah, he moves. He's young. Anyway, this is making an increasing noise. Oh, snap is moving. That's moving. It's interesting. Oh, snap is feeding. It's going down. I don't know what that did. And alright, I'm gonna try to print something, guys. Oh, snap. Alright, guys. We picked a little bitty wolf to make. So it's gonna take an hour and 12 minutes. This will be our first thing to do. I don't really know what's happening right now. It's recording. It has its own little camera. I'll check in on that in a little bit. Maybe I'll add a little bit of that on this post. Oh yeah, look, it's heating up. 205, 210, 215, 220, 225, 233. Oh snap! Went from green to white. It's probably a good thing. It's holding steady at 237 Celsius. Whoa, what's going on here? Something just popped off. Who can tell me what 230 Celsius is in Fahrenheit? It's gotta be pretty hot, right? Let's see. Dynamic flow calibration. What's happening? It's 2% done, but it hasn't done anything yet. We're back down to 220 Celsius. I don't know. I'll check in, guys. I don't know what's going on. Nothing's happening. Something's going down, guys. It kept on making I guess shooting through a bunch of these. Now it's just like vibrating a lot. Cutting off more stuff, maybe. What is it doing? Oh boy, it almost hit me. It actually did hit me a little bit. I should probably not stand too close. Alright, it's like cleaning itself. I've seen it do that before. I think that's where it like scratches its surface. Right? I don't know. Alright. Nothing's happening. Oh, oh, oh. Tool head cleaning. That's what's going on. Bed leveling. We're down bed leveling now. This better be a pretty cool little wolf.
It says 0 minutes. It's weird. It like does have stuff.
Right here. Pretty cool.